Meet your motorcycle's new best friends, Shiba's Chain Cleaner, Chain Lube, and Chain Cleaning Brush. Designed for performance, engineered for protection, because every smooth ride starts with a clean chain. First up, the Shiba Chain Cleaner, powerful yet gentle. It penetrates deep to dissolve grime, grease, and dirt that build up over time. Safe on O-ring, X-ring, and Z-ring chains, it preps your chain for the perfect lube application. Next, the Shiba Chain Cleaning Brush, dual-ended and ergonomically designed. It makes reaching every link and corner effortlessly. A clean chain is just a few strokes away. Start by placing your bike on a paddock stand for easy access. Spray the chain cleaner generously, letting it soak into the links. Use the brush to scrub away the buildup. The bristles reach in all directions to ensure no grime remains. Wipe off the excess cleaner and let the chain dry. Now it's time for the Shiba Chain Lube, formulated to reduce friction, minimize wear, and repel dust. Spray evenly across the inner chain links, giving your ride that silky smooth motion every biker craves. The result? A cleaner, quieter, and more efficient drivetrain. With regular use, your chain stays protected against rust, wear, and premature stretching, translating into a smoother ride and longer chain life. Whether you are a daily commuter or a weekend rider, Shiba's Chain Care combo ensures your machine runs like new every time. Take your maintenance game to the next level with Shiba, trusted care for riders who demand performance. Clean, lube, ride, repeat.